Welcome to Business Boss, your daily business motivation. I'm Maximilian, and today we're going to talk about something that doesn't always get the attention it deserves: management and the liberal arts. Now, when most people think about business, they think about numbers, strategy, markets, and data. And of course, those things are essential. But here's the truth. What truly sets great leaders apart isn't just their ability to manage systems or crunch numbers. It's their ability to think critically, empathize with others, and approach problems from different perspectives. And that's exactly where the liberal arts come in. At first glance, the liberal arts may seem unrelated to business. After all, how do philosophy, history, or literature help you manage a team or lead a company? But here's the thing. The liberal arts provide something fundamental that is often overlooked in traditional business education: the ability to think deeply and broadly. Let's take a step back for a moment. In business, we are constantly facing complex challenges. Whether it's navigating a market shift, dealing with internal conflicts, or leading through uncertainty, the ability to see the bigger picture is invaluable. The liberal arts, subjects like philosophy, history, literature, and the social sciences, teach us to think critically, question assumptions, and engage with ideas that don't have easy answers. For example, let's look at literature. When you read a novel or a work of fiction, you are not just learning about the plot. You are learning about human nature, about conflict, about the complexities of human relationships. These lessons are directly applicable to managing people, building teams, and understanding your customers. History teaches us the importance of context. It shows us how past events and decisions shape the present. As a leader, understanding history helps you make informed decisions and avoid repeating past mistakes. It gives you the wisdom to recognize patterns and anticipate future challenges. Then, there's philosophy, which encourages us to question everything we know and challenge our own biases. Philosophy helps us sharpen our reasoning and approach problems with clarity and integrity. When you understand how to approach complex problems in a methodical and thoughtful way, you are better equipped to lead. Now, let's bring this to management. The best managers and business leaders are not only analytical, they are also emotionally intelligent. They can relate to their team, understand their customers, and navigate challenges with empathy. The liberal arts train us to think with empathy, understanding different viewpoints, considering the moral implications of decisions, and even appreciating the value of human emotion in business are qualities that liberal arts education brings to the table. For instance, when you're managing a diverse team, having an understanding of the humanities, such as cultural studies or sociology, can help you connect with people from all walks of life. It allows you to respect differences, find common ground, and build a unified, harmonious team. Let's not forget the importance of creativity. In business, we often think of creativity in terms of innovation, product design, or marketing. But creativity also involves solving problems in unique ways. The liberal arts teach you how to think outside the box and approach challenges from unconventional angles. It's about creating new solutions that others may not see, and that's what keeps a business ahead of the curve. So, what does this mean for you? If you're in a leadership position, it's time to embrace the full power of the liberal arts in your management style. You don't have to be a philosopher to be a great leader. You don't need to have a degree in history to understand your market. But you do need to understand that leadership is not just about managing resources. It's about managing people, ideas, and relationships. And the liberal arts teach you to do that more effectively than any spreadsheet or business plan could. To sum it up, don't underestimate the power of the liberal arts in business. They offer invaluable tools for leadership, critical thinking, and understanding people. The ability to think deeply, empathize, and approach problems with creativity will not only make you a better manager, it will make you a better leader. That's all for today. Take a moment to reflect on how the liberal arts might influence your own approach to business and leadership. The next time you're faced with a challenge, ask yourself, how can I think differently? How can I apply the lessons from the broader world around me to this situation? This is Maximilian, and you've been watching Business Boss, your daily business motivation. Stay inspired, stay curious, and keep leading with both your heart and mind.